Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video you will learn how to create a very simple pulse effect on your website if at all you're using the same front-end framework Materialize that I'm using on my website. So somebody was wondering on how I came up with such an effect. So friend, I never created this from scratch. I'm using a modern front-end framework called Materialize CSS. So it's the one that I'm using on the front end of this website, and on the back end I'm just running PHP. So in question, this is the button that the person was asking about. So this pulse effect. So usually these buttons I put there to draw attention to the users. So when somebody lands on this page, it is one of the objects he or she will look at, and they will be triggered to click and see what happens. So I made this button for the users to share them, or to share the particular page he or she will be on these available social media networks. So I'm going to show you how you can create this pulse effect. I already have a tutorial on how to create these share buttons, on how to create this floating button, but I never showed you how you can add this pulse effect. And it's very simple. It's just a class, because having that effect, we are just going to be using the CSS component only. There's no need of JavaScript in this case, just CSS. So let us go to materializecss.com. I'm just going to take only the CSS CDN, the link, and then paste it, and paste it here. And this is the page in particular that we are going to be using. I'm going to just create a simple div with a class of container. I just want to have some fixed width on both sides, and then I'm just going to put a button. What you should note about this effect, normally suits better on floating buttons, so the circles. So any button that looks like this, it will suit better there. So but it will look annoying if you just apply it on every button on the page. Just get one button in particular, like here, and apply it there. So I'm just going to create a simple a tag like that. We don't need the href, you can take it away or put hash symbol. So just give it class of btn-floating. My keyboard changes its language in USE, so dash floating, and we are going to have something like a floating button on the page. So what you're seeing here, let me first zoom in. So this is what you're seeing right now. We have just added this simple class of btn-floating. Then in case, let us put something here in the middle. I'm going to use the Materialize icons, so the Google font icons. Copy that link, and we are going to, what did I press? Just place it there, and then inside here I'm just going to put the icon tag, or the I tag. We're just going to give it a class of material-icons, and you're going to give it menu. So we should see the menu icon on the page. So let's say you want to draw the user's attention to this menu for the users to click there, then you have to add this simple class on it, which is pulse. As I said, it's a CSS component, no need of JavaScript. If you save, and this is what you're having. So it's the same effect that I applied here, just a simple class of pulse. So when the user lands on the page, it will draw the user's attention to it. So they will be forced to come and click and see what next. So if at all you are downloading, editing, sharing like right now, then that will be the use, drawing the user's attention to that object. So adding this simple class of pulse, you'll be able to have such an effect on your page. If at all this video was useful, like, subscribe to the channel, and I will always see you in the next tutorials. Peace.